All right, on today's video, we're going to be putting in a blind and actually removing this blind. So first thing you want to do, you see these clips, they should be on both sides here. You just basically just want to press those in. Once you press those in, it should release. Now, I definitely recommend doing it with two hands instead of one. With me, I got to hold the phone. That's why I need to invest in these Meta glasses. So, but you want to press both of those clips. Make sure you hold on to that because it's going to release it, and you just don't want it to fall down on you and damage anything. So pretty simple. Release those two clips and you're just going to be left with the clips that are there. So you either want a drill driver or, just really a screwdriver to take those out. Obviously, I'm using a drill driver. Makes it a little easier. You just don't want to strip those because they're really hard to get out. If you want to clean that up a little bit, paint over it, sand it, put some, wood putty on it, whatever you want to do to make it a little better, you definitely can. So I'm kind of showing you, I usually put my clips in the middle. It's going to give me a lot more space there and a lot more, instead of trying to perfectly match it on the, on the ends, as you see the other end, you can't really put it on there. But first thing I want to do is I kind of want to just dry fit it. I'm also going to mark where I want to put my clips. Definitely recommend doing this ahead of time. So you also want to, drill some pilot holes. You don't have to, but I definitely recommend it. Then you want to just put your clips in where you obviously, marked where your holes are. After you put your clips in, you're just going to fit it in there. I should have did a better video on how to actually put those in because sometimes it could be a little tricky, but, for the most part, they go in pretty simple. So, you just want to, fit it in there, make sure it fits snug, and you're going to hear a kind of a snap, but that's pretty much it. Pretty basic. So thanks for watching. Follow for more.